Good morning. It is Tuesday. I'm gonna be doing like another vlog for Vlogmas. I am going to my agency where we are doing a shoot for a campaign because there's a couple of us doing the same campaign, so they're like throwing kind of like a mini Christmas party for us to shoot in, which is really nice. And then I need to go get my nails off because I have a shoot tomorrow and I need to have like nude nails, but because they're the dip nails, I have to take them off. Really sad about it because look how great they look. The color is awesome and I just got them on Friday, so whatever, I guess that's part of the job. Alright, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna try to do some work while my face de-bloats so I can film the next video. Already got my Chemex set up. I'm gonna grind some coffee now. The water is boiling. I am using the Christmas blend from Starbucks right now. It's my absolute favorite. So I always buy the coffee beans whole at Starbucks or wherever I buy them, and then I grind them at home. I just find that it tastes better and I have a grinder, so why not? So it's all set up for the water. I can't use the water right away as it boils. You should be waiting a little bit for it. So I'm gonna wash some fruits. I am having some raspberry, grapes, and blueberries. Obviously the blueberries are not organic because they're ginormous, but I just really wanted some, and in Toronto you can't really get any right now. I'm not a huge breakfast person. Sometimes I make smoothies, sometimes I make avocado egg toast, but today I'm just feeling like some fruit. I don't need anything super huge in the morning. Sometimes I don't even eat breakfast. I'm just not a breakfast person, but I know some of you are, and it is really good practice to have breakfast every morning. Some people like to fast in the morning. My body doesn't feel like it needs it, so I think I'm okay. I think the water has cooled down enough. If I have any coffee connoisseurs following me, I probably am not doing this exactly right, but it makes the coffee that I like and I'm happy with it, so. The good stuff. Okay, so this is gonna be the angle that I'm gonna try to show you how I do my hair. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I curl my hair because I am Asian, as you probably realize by now, and I have very straight hair. After I dyed it, it has become a little bit easier to curl. It's not as like super straight anymore, but I do use the T3 curler, and I use it to about like the third temperature degree. So I feel like I don't really even have to put a lot of hairspray in for it to keep all day. So I do section it out. Like I just section the bottom part of my hair with a clip, and I take about like this much hair and I kind of leave that much at the end, and then I curl it, hold it for about 15 seconds, and then I just get kind of like a loose wave like that, and then I keep going. I don't like to have my curls too tight. I basically brush them out eventually. And because my hair is straight, it falls out naturally too, so it's not like a big deal if they're too curly to begin with. Ooh, I think I left my curler on a little bit too long last time. So you can see kind of like it's uneven, but it doesn't matter. These ones are underneath my hair. I'm gonna section out another half, and then kind of do it up again. I mean, I'm not like a hair pro, so let's not judge me too much. I just got some questions I thought I'd show you. Alright, so these are gonna be very loose waves. You can kind of see. It's a little easier when your hair is like one day off from washing. Sometimes I curl my hair right after I wash it, and it definitely doesn't curl the same. It's like, it's a lot more stubborn when it's just washed versus when it's got some dirt in it, I guess. Sounds gross, but I think you guys know what I mean. The front is hard because I have so many short layers. And so like it doesn't really ever curl normally. I think we're fine. I'll brush it out when it cools a little bit. I wonder if this camera's gonna last, this battery's gonna last until I'm done this. It might, it might. So I was right, the camera died when I had like 2 pieces left to go. This is kind of my hair right now. I haven't brushed it out. It's a little bit of a mess. I'm gonna go in with the Way Texturizing Hairspray. Just a little bit. Just on the ends. And then I'm gonna brush it out with my fingers. It just gives it a little bit of volume. And I'm gonna flip my hair. I don't know if you can see me. So yeah, that's how I do my hair really quickly. I think I did it in like 20 minutes. It's not bad. All right, so I finished filming the video for how to style a sweater a couple of different ways. So I am heading downtown to my agency now. I'm just gonna show you the Christmas sweaters that I'm gonna bring with me because it's like an ugly Christmas sweater theme party that we're taking photos of. So this is one. I had got this for Travis from J. Crew, I think the first Christmas we started dating, or second. It's pretty cute. I really like all the patterns, but I don't know if it's like ugly enough. So I did also get this one from H&M that I find hilarious, but I probably wouldn't actually wear. This is like the Rudolph one with a pom-pom nose. I think it's pretty cute. So I'm just gonna kind of see what color goes better in the little area that they've set up. And I will see you very soon. Alright, so I am downtown. That didn't take too long. It only took me like 40 minutes to get downtown today. That's why I like to have things scheduled kind of like in the middle of the day. I am walking there now because I parked on Adelaide because it's a lot cheaper. And usually there aren't a lot of spots like right across from my agency. It is about 0 degrees. That's what like the thermometer on my car said. Feels great. I am very comfortable in what I'm wearing, which is my scarf, the merino jacket, just a sweater and pants. So very nice day in Toronto today. Hello, CN Tower. All right, I arrived. This is platform. The interior is decorated for Christmas. Ended up with this sweater on. It's my little reindeer. The boats came in, the red was better. This is Emily. She's got her own Instagram that I'm gonna put right above her head. Then you can follow her. Look how cute these little sweaters are. So this is the brand that we are shooting for, Mondavi. Look how cute. And this is the tablescape that they have set up. We got a little fake fireplace going on. Everyone in their cute onesies. Alright guys, sorry for my crazy hair right now, but my hands are full. And I can't really fix it, so I'm just gonna look like this while I talk to you. So I finished the photo shoot slash lunch slash gathering. It was super fun. I am thankful that I got some food to eat because I was starving. I hope the photos turn out. I have to go home and edit them and send them in today or tomorrow. But now I am rushing home or uptown because I have to go get my dip nails taken off. Made it to the nail place. I think I'm on time. I will try to film it. It gets really powdery and like gross, so I don't really want to get it on my camera, but we'll see, we'll see. Alright guys, my nails are now bare. Very sad about it. And I'm kind of peeved because these people at the nail place, the girl did a great job. She saw that my nail and cuticles were like so dry and disgusting after they had to like shave everything off, and she started putting like cuticle oil on, which I feel like is appropriate. And like her boss slash I guess the owner of this place like literally stopped her after she started doing 3 fingers. I couldn't understand what they were saying, and basically she had to stop. So I could only assume that they were being super cheap and didn't even want to like give me cuticle oils after they like destroyed my fingers. I was gonna recommend you this place, but I'm not. So I'm not even gonna
tell you where this place is because I'm peeved and don't want to give them free advertising. Anyways, that's my rant. That's my day basically, because I'm gonna go home now, have dinner, and then edit my Q&A for tomorrow, which will go live tomorrow. Anyways, sorry, I'm gonna like try not to be negative because I'm just still a little rattled. It just happened. All right, that's a wrap for the daily vlog. The lighting's getting really weird because a lot of headlights are going past me. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like these vlogs because I'm getting used to doing them, so I might do more of them. Of course, leave me a like if you like the video and a subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of me, and I will see you very soon.